Hey, have you ever added a user to CentOS 9?
No, I haven't. Is it complicated?
Not really. It's a fundamental skill in Linux administration. Let me walk you through the process.
That would be great. Where do I start?
First, you need to open the terminal. You can find it in the Applications menu or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus Alt plus T.
Okay, I've opened the terminal. What's next?
Now, you need to log in as the root user to perform administrative tasks.
Got it. How do I create a new user?
That's easy. You'll assign a username and password, as well as provide some additional information. Think of it as setting up a new profile on your computer.
Okay, I've created a new user. How do I grant them administrative privileges?
To grant administrative privileges, you'll include them in a specific group. This ensures they have the necessary rights to perform system tasks without compromising security.
How do I know if the user was successfully created?
You can check the user's details, including group memberships, to confirm that the new user has been successfully added.
How do I test the new user's access?
You can test the new user's access by logging in as them. This helps ensure that the new account is functional and ready for use.
Thanks for walking me through the process. It's not as complicated as I thought.
No problem. Managing users is a foundational skill in Linux administration, and with this knowledge, you're well on your way to mastering CentOS 9.